there, have you ever been to an instrument petting zoo? Yes, let's explore the Santa Barbara Fiddlers Festival with lots of interesting music, instruments, and of course, lots of fiddles. Welcome to Isabella Bird's Exploration Station with me, Isabella Bird. Festivals are a fun way to spend the day with friends, family, and, well, people you've never met before. It's fantastic to bring a picnic and listen to some music outside when the weather is nice. This festival is primarily celebrating American folk and bluegrass music, which, did you know it has its roots in the Appalachian Mountains and blends sounds from Irish, Scottish, and African musical traditions. The upright bass keeps the rhythm steady, while the guitars add melody and the fiddle adds, well, let's just say a touch of magic. Notice how all the musicians are listening and interacting with each other. This group of musicians has never played together before, but through the common language of music, they can come together, connect, and, well, you and I can enjoy it. Okay, now what is this? This is that instrument petting zoo that I mentioned. Yes. It is a place that they've set up for anyone to come. Well, let's go a little bit closer. It's where we can all play different instruments. Now, do you know what this one is? Have you seen this before? It's a tambourine. But this is a washboard. Yes, they used to wash clothes with it until someone realized you could use it as a drum. Oh, and there we have an accordion, which is sort of like a piano that you can carry around and play by pushing air through it. Oh, and what are these? Guitars the size of a violin? Well, yes, they are ukuleles. See, there are all different types of string instruments. This one is hundreds of years old. Yes, indeed. When we explore music, remember it's all connected. The fiddle or violin is not just for Mozart or Beethoven in a concert hall. It can be a group of people coming together to play folk songs in the park. The banjo is originally an African instrument, and it brings melody with rhythm together. And rhythm, where does it start? Well, it was dance that led to maybe drums. And then when people didn't have drums, well, today we learned they sometimes use a washboard. The exploration of music is the exploration of culture and connection itself. And, oh, well, here's another instrument you can explore. The spoon! Did you know that? Look at, these people are putting two spoons together to make rhythm and make music. Now there's an instrument that you probably have close at hand in a drawer in your kitchen. As always, thanks for joining me and happy exploring to you. Thank you so much for joining me on Isabella Bird's Exploration Station today. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like the one you just watched, or this one where I'm exploring a sunrise from an airplane. And as always, happy exploring to you!